Thinking of selling your home in 2025 and want to maximize the value? Preparing your property can make all the difference between a quick top dollar sale or a prolonged, stressful process. So where do you start with improvements to get the best return on your investment? Hi, I'm Melissa Ryu with eXp Realty. Let's talk about the repairs that give you the most value. First off, start with the basics. The repairs that matter the most to buyers. Fix leaky faucets, running toilets, make sure the doors and windows open smoothly with no squeaks or torn screens. These are low-cost fixes that show home buyers your home is well maintained. You may want to boost your curb appeal by repainting the front door, putting down some mulch or bark to freshen up your exterior. We all know first impressions matter, and by doing this, your home will have the most perceived value. What about the more pricey repairs for home improvements for kitchens and bathrooms? Kitchens are typically the heart of the home, and buyers love to see an updated, fresh, and functional kitchen. You can replace outdated cabinet hardware, install energy-efficient appliances, or upgrade your countertops. Data shows that minor kitchen updates generate a return on investment of 80 to 90%. Revitalizing a bathroom by replacing faucets and toilets or installing new mirrors and light fixtures can give you a return on investment potential of 60 to 70%. Why is the return on investment important? It will help you decide which improvements are worth the cost to maximize your property value and to put more money back in your pocket. Getting your property ready to sell in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right steps and a little expert guidance on repairs and improvements, you'll attract the right buyers to maximize your sale. Reach out to me so we can talk about your goals, decide on what improvements will help you, and start preparing your home for sale today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. My name is Melissa Ryu with eXp Realty, your Southern Maine Coastal Realtor.